KlickCourse review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from IncaAcademy.com and welcome to my KlickCourse review. So in this KlickCourse review, we'll be taking a quick look on what KlickCourse is, and I'll be also discussing how KlickCourse differs from other platforms. Plus, I do have got access to KlickCourse, as you can see over here. So I'll give you a deep demo of that as well. And I do have a ton of custom bonuses for this KlickCourse review. So if you wish to take a look at that anytime during this KlickCourse review or after watching the KlickCourse review, all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, if you scroll down, you can find all of my bonuses as well. So that's quite cool. I'll give you a walkthrough of them as well. Don't worry. But before going any further, I want to actually discuss with you what KlickCourse is in a nutshell. So it's a cloud-based software that allows you to actually publish your courses. It can be your videos, or you can even upload from YouTube or Vimeo or even Dropbox. The best part, you can create unlimited courses right up on the front end, and it comes for a one-time low price. Plus, I have got you covered with coupons, which can even lower the pricing. The best part of it is that it comes with integrations with major payment gateways and autoresponders so that you can sell your courses right from within this platform. You don't need integration with any other platform whatsoever. And you can also email the students right from within the app itself. And the best part, where it actually differs from other leading industry experts, is that it gives you two things. Number one is auto certification on the completion of courses. That's a very good thing to have, which actually forces the students to complete the course. And secondly, it has a credit system where you can allocate credit for different actions that the users take. Now, this can incentivize the user to actually go through the entire course, or maybe to refer it to some friends. And that's a great way for you to establish a connection with your student for your lifetime. With that being said, now we already know that e-learning industry is a multi-million-dollar industry right now, and it's growing even larger by each day. But to tap into it, you need a few things, like you need some platforms. Say, for example, you need platforms like Kajabi or Teachable. But the problem with them is that each of them comes with a monthly pricing. For example, Kajabi charges you $129 a month. Teachable charges you $99 a month. Yet, none of them is unlimited, right? There's a limited number of courses that you can host with it. Whereas KlickCourse allows you unlimited course creation, that also at a one-time price. Now it's showing 67 over here, but I will make sure that you get it at even less than 50 bucks. I'll share with you a coupon, but for that you need to stick till the end of this KlickCourse review. With that being said, now it's time for me to actually disclose all of my bonuses that you are going to get if you do decide to pick up KlickCourse. So in order to check out all of my bonuses, you just need to go down on the description of this video, click the link to my bonus page, which will bring you over here. And if you scroll down over here, you can find all of my bonuses right from in here, right? So the first of them is a 12-module training course that you will get with reseller rights. Then you are going to get a perfect webinar creation masterclass with, again, reseller rights. Then you are going to get 30 days to 6-figure product launch, again with reseller rights. Number 4 is that you are going to get a cross-platform premium Camtasia-like video editor. Now, since you are working on courses, there is a major chance that you need a screen recording software or a video editor software. So I've got you covered on that as well. Then I have given you unlimited premium lifetime web hosting with SSL, FTP, cPanel, and unlimited bandwidth and unlimited disk space. Now, this alone would cost you a few $100s, right? Then I have also given you access to premium video hosting platform from where you can host your videos, and then you can upload them on KlickCourse or any other platforms you wish to. Apart from this, I have also given you a FB post inviter that converts your post into invites. And I have also given you premium intro and outro spokesperson videos, which you can append at the start or at the end of any Creative Commons videos or any videos for that matter to personalize it as your videos. Apart from this, I have also got you covered with insane software and courses bundle. Now, this contains any and every kind of software. Like there is a text to video maker, there is a voiceover software, there are video creation software, there are funnel building softwares, there are website building softwares, there are mobile app building softwares. I have given you courses with reseller rights as well. I have given you courses that are screen recorded training videos without any face, so that you can rebrand them and sell them wherever you want. Now, these are going to be absolutely congruent with KlickCourse, but then if you like, you can also sell them at any marketplace. You are free to do that as well. Apart from that, there are a ton of other softwares as well. I would invite you to please come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. Now, there are so many of them. I am really sorry that I can't walk you through all of them because that is going to take more than 2 to 3 hours if I go to walk through each of them. So you can just come over to this page and check for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. And I'm quite sure that you are not going to get so much value in anybody else's bonuses as much as I am giving you. With that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering. But again, I'm pretty sure that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. Again, that being said, please come over to my bonus page by going down on the description of this video and clicking the link to my bonus page and check for yourself, check for your eyes that how premium and quality all of my bonuses are. Now, with the bonus walkthrough done and dusted, now it's time for us to actually dive inside of KlickCourse and see how it works. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has. I'll be revealing the coupons and I'll be revealing a great deal that you can latch upon. With that being said, let's dive inside of KlickCourse for a KlickCourse demo. Hey, so welcome to this KlickCourse demo within the KlickCourse review, and I'm excited to guide you through this brand new cloud-based software. So first of all, here is the dashboard that you can see, and on the right hand side, as you can see, it's my own profile. So all that you need to do first is go over here and click on profile and set over your profile, right? And secondly, you just need to go over to settings. And in here, you can find all the admin settings, like what is your site name, what is your site description, your SEO description, everything you can find over here. Then you can find the different email templates that are going to be used from this email template tab, wherein you can find the student email templates and the institute email templates as well, right? So whenever a student purchases, what is going to be the email that is going to be sent, everything is already done for you. All that you need to do is probably just change this logo, right? And if you want to change any of the writings, you can do that. Feel free to do that as well. Now in here, you can find all the variables that has been used. If you want to make your custom notification, you can do that as well. So it has allowed you anything and everything basically. With that being said, you can also find the institute email template, which are going to be used for the admin purposes. Then in here, you can find the administration tab, wherein you can set the different credit scores. Now, this is what I was telling you. For purchase, there is 10 credit. That means this credit can be actually used to purchase other courses. So that's quite cool. It's a cashback kind of thing, which works brilliantly in marketing. And this is the same concept that they have used. So a great thumbs up for this. This will actually enable the user to take more action and keep coming to you as a buyer. Then you can see here, new registered credit, referral earned credit. That means whenever they refer somebody, they would get 50 credits, right? Then you can see completing of quiz credit. So you can actually drive your students to take more action via this. Then you have got the Usign integration, and you have also got the SMTP integration in order to send emails, right? Then you need to come over to this gear icon over here and go over to the integrations. And in here, you can have different integrations like payment gateway, and you can see all the different payment gateways are available. So depending on whatever you want to use, you can, right? You can see InstaMojo, Razorpay, Authorize.net, To Checkout. Then there's PayPal, Stripe, PayUmoney. All the leading payment providers are included. Especially if you are out of India, then majority of the apps doesn't support Razorpay, but this one does. So that's a great thing to have. You can directly sell in from here. Then you can also go ahead to integrations, and you can go over to your autoresponder, and in here you can connect your autoresponder so that whenever somebody signs up, you get those leads, right? And again, as you can see, it has got integration with all the leading autoresponders over here as well. So that's quite cool. With that being said, you can even integrate it with your webinar platforms or even on the marketplace. Now, there is a deep tutorial of everything as well. On this left-hand side, you can find anything and everything. So if I scroll down over here, right here, you can find the tutorials. If you ever need it, you can just go over here and it has got you covered with anything and everything. So in here, you can see there are a ton of tutorials that you can look upon and you can actually implement them. So that's quite cool. With that being said, now it's time for us to give you a demo and show you exactly how things are done. So what it does is that it has a hierarchy, right? So here you can see the hierarchy. On the top of it is institute, and an institute can have course categories. Course categories can have courses. Courses can have modules, and modules can have lessons. It's like being an university or a school, maybe, right? An academy. Under the academy, an academy can teach various things like health. It can teach fitness. It can teach weight loss, anything. So that will be the course category. And under each category, there can be courses, right? So it's a perfectly laid out structure, and we need to follow that while creating courses. So again, back to the dashboard. So first of all, we need to go over to the users, and in here we will have the institute. So just click on that. And in here, you need to add a new institute. Now, I have already added them, as you can see over here, Shine Rai University and the WordPress University. These both have been added by me. In order to add new institute, all that you need to do is click on Add New Institute. And in here, you just need to give it an image file, and then you need to enter your email, your institute name, password, and your phone number and address, and boom, your institute would be created, right? So I'm not going through that right now. All that I'm interested in is showing you the kind of things that you can do with it. With that being said, once your institute is ready, you don't need to actually bother about it any further. You can just go over to the course categories in the second step. And in here, you can add a new course category. Say, for example, I want to add a category called fitness. And I can give it a description, whatever I want, say fitness again. And this time I will just click on save category, and it will actually save the category for me. As you can see, it has been added, right? Then on the next step, we just need to go over to the courses, and in here we can add new course. Now I have already created a few courses, but I will add a new one right in front of your eyes so that you understand how easy it is to create a course. So it will actually take you through all these steps. So first of all, we need to select a category. So we had created this category called fitness, right? So we have selected that. Secondly, we need to select an institute. So let it be on the Shine Rai University, right? And then we need to choose a image file. Now this will be a banner image for fitness. Essentially and ideally you should do it via Canva with these pixels that have been mentioned over here. But for this purpose, I am just selecting a random image from my drive, but you should create a banner image, right? So that would look better. And in here, you need to add a course preview video. So for this, we'll go over to YouTube. And here we should search something for fitness. And on the filters, maybe we should actually select this as Creative Commons to be on the safer side, right? Now you can actually go ahead and use anyone's video as well, but Creative Commons gives you that extra bit of license to use them, right? And then once you have selected any of the video, you just need to actually go ahead and click on that video. And then you just need to click on share, and then you just click on embed and copy this embed code. Just copy this over here, go back to your course and just paste it over here, and then give it a title, say fitness, and click on next. Now in here, you should provide a description ideally, right, about your course, what it does and what purpose it solves. Then once done, just click on next. In here, you will select the payment type, right? What is the selling price of the course? Say, for example, $2.95. And then you can give the MRP as 97, just for example. And then you can give a credit for it as well. Say, I will give 1 credit. And then you can also have an affiliate type. Now, this is applicable on an upsell. You are not going to get affiliate on the front end. And then you can also have this status as active or inactive, up to you, right? Once done, just click on next. Then you can decide what kind of payment you want to accept. That is one-time purchase, or it will be a subscription mode based on monthly or installment cycle. So that's up to you. You can also take quarterly, semesterly, or yearly payments as well. So for the sake of simplicity, let it be one time and just click on next. And in here, you can have a hyperlink source to redirect. That means whenever that hyperlink would be typed, it would be redirected to this course. So that's up to you if you want to have this or not. Once done, you can just click on finish, and boom, you can see your course has been added, and you can see it's coming up over here. So that's quite cool, right? Now, all that you want to do over here is, wait, just let me move my camera to the other side. So now I hope this is fully visible, right? Now you can click on these 3 dots, and then you can just go over to this assign. And here you can manually assign it to any university you want to. That is any university that is available under your login. You can actually assign this course to all of those universities as well. So that's up to you. Now, once this is done, this course would be available on the university for people to enroll. That's quite cool, right? Now, remember, we have created the course structure, basic course structure, but there is nothing that has been added. So we want to add lessons on them, right? So for that, again, we'll click on these 3 dots and we'll go over to modules. Now, inside of the modules, you can see it's blank as of now. So we'll click on add new module. We'll give a module the name, say intro, and then we'll click on add. And as you can see, the intro module has been added. Now you can just go over to this plus sign over here, click on that, and it will actually allow you to have different kind of contents. Number one is that you can write anything you want to, like your blog, right? Secondly, you can upload your audios like a podcast. And then you can also go ahead and upload your videos, or you can even have any downloadable file as well. So you can create any kind of things that you want to. Now let us focus on videos now and go over to YouTube as source. And then we'll again go back to our YouTube channel. And in here, let us copy this URL, come back to the course and put it over here. and give the title as introduction, just for an example. And then if you want this to be available as a preview of the course, then you can click it as preview on. That means people can view this lesson without even registering for the course. That means this is the free part of the course that you are allowing people to check whether your course is good or not, like Udemy does, right? With that being said, it's up to you. If you don't want to give it as a preview, you can just uncheck it and that will be enough. Just click on upload and save, and boom, you can see your module has been added. So in the similar way, you can just go ahead and create as many modules as you can. I'm not going to add that much over here now. You can also delete anything at any moment of time you want to. So that's how you can add contents to your course, right? And now I'll show you the most important part of it, that is the certification. So for that, we'll go over to course quiz. And this actually allows us to create quizzes for the course. So we just need to click on add new quiz. And in here, you can see you can add different questions to it. You can add different answers to it. You can mark which answer is correct. That's up to you totally, right? And once this is done, you can just click on save quiz and the quiz would be saved. So I'm not creating a quiz right now because I have already created a couple of them. I just wanted to show you how the certificates are provided. So once your course is ready, you will find this kind of things, right? And in here, you will find this quiz certification. Just click on that and you can see that the certification has been added over here. So you can just view the quiz certificate, and this is what the certificate looks like. Now you can actually go ahead and edit it in whatever sense you want to. You can add your logos, you can add your images, you can add whatever you wish to make it more decorative. And it also gives you all these variables which actually dynamically bring in the variables, like this student name would be replaced by the student who has actually completed the course. This qualified score would be replaced by the qualified score that you set. So everything happens dynamically, and it's a great way to actually recognize your students for their hard work and make them more attentive to your lessons. With that being said, that is more or less about it. I have shown you how to apply credits. I have shown you the certification. I have shown you how to build courses, how to add lessons, modules, anything and everything basically, right? Then if you are on the upsell, that is the upsell one, which has many great selling features. One of them is coupons, but this is not going to be available on the front end, right? Now, if you are on the upsell one, then you can also go ahead and create coupons for yourself or for your students, and you can just go ahead and add new coupon and you can promote it as well. So I hope this is now more visible. So in here, you can play around with the checkout page, the thank you page. You can also play around with the different social shares that you have, right? So all of these are configurable. And in here, as I've already told you, there are the tutorials, and here are the vendor bonuses that you can access, right? So with that being said, I really hope that you have enjoyed this KlickCourse demo, and it was a detailed demo because I wanted you to see its power and how easy it is to set up everything. And I really hope that you have found it useful. And if you're looking to pick up KlickCourse, then why not via me? Because I'm giving you the best in-class bonuses that you can find over the internet. At least I hope so. With that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering, because I am 100% confident that no one can be even close to what I have done for you. With that being said, once you feel the same, just go down on the description of this video, click the link to my bonus page, come over to my bonus page, and in here you can scroll down, you can check my bonuses for yourself, how cool and premium they are. With that being said, once you like what you are seeing, you can click on any of these red buttons to go over to the KlickCourse sales page, which should look like this, and you can go through this at your own time. You can go through the VSLs, you can just go through this, all these things over here. I'm not literally going to waste your or mine time in doing that. And once you find it useful, and once you find that it is what you are looking for, you can just click on any of these buttons to get access to KlickCourse along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost. And all of them would be available inside your JVZoo dashboard. But if you are facing any trouble in getting them, just remember to send us an email over to this ncaracademywb@gmail.com or facebook.com/admin ncaracademy and get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. With that being said, now it's time for us to discuss the pricing that it has. The front end is going to be priced at $67, but for the early birds, it's going to be having a coupon, which when applied gives you $20 off. This is the coupon code that you need to apply, Klick20, to get $20 off and get it at a one-time price of $47. $47 one-time price, unlimited courses, absolute no-brainer according to me. You are not going to get any better offer anywhere on the internet. I can pretty much vouch for that, right? With that being said, please feel free to make your own due diligence. And then there is a coupon on the upsell one as well, the OTO one, which is the ultimate edition. Now this comes with many additional conversions features, like it has custom domain integration, it has coupons that you can do, and then it has certain other features. Everything is written on my bonus page. You can just come over here, and in here, if you scroll down, you can find this ultimate edition over here. Like you can get 10 extra institute, you can have your affiliate programs running, you can get your custom domain as I told you, and then you can have your custom logo, you can change the look and feel and the colors of your institute, you can update reviews. Now all of these plays a great part in having better conversions. So if you are more serious about selling things, then you should consider in upgrading with the platinum one, and it has got integration with Zoom and GoToWebinar as well. You can add pixel code, so everything related to conversions is taken care of in this one. Again, this is also backed up by this $20 coupon code. This is the coupon code that you want to apply, Ultimate 20, to get $20 off on this upsell as well. Don't worry, I'll give all the discount coupons in the description as well, so that you can copy it from there. And then there is a $50 off on the agency upgrade as well. The agency actually gives you unlimited access to it. Plus it gives you reseller license to it as well, where you can sell KlickCourse as if it was your own product and keep 100% of your commission. So you are also going to get a reseller dashboard. That means you can actually sell it at any price you want to, even a monthly price. Now with that being said, there is a all upgrade included bundle deal as well. At $297 you are going to get everything, right? There is a agency kit as well that you are going to get, and it's a good deal to have. At $297 basically you are going to get everything. So I guess if you are more serious into it, you can look onto this option, or you can start up with the Pro, that is the front end, and the Ultimate, that is the OTO one as well. The decision is up to you. But if you want to take a look at the bundle, you just need to scroll all the way down on my bonus page and find this section over here. And from here, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to the bundle sales page, and you can check for yourself how cool the bundle is. If you want to pick that up, you are free to do that, and you are going to get some additional bonuses as well if you pick up the bundle deal. With that being said, if there is a discount on the bundle deal, I will attach it in the description. So please make sure that you check out the description field before going through. Now that brings me to an end of this KlickCourse review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this KlickCourse review. If you have, please help me with a like, and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions on any part of this KlickCourse review. I'll be more than happy to help you with any questions that you have. Now with that being said, it's your good friend Shayan bidding goodbye from you. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off, Shayan from Klick Academy. Take care. Bye bye.